Guys, I'm back with another mani. So I do have 𝒊𝒔𝒉's gel base coat, and I'm applying a thin layer of that to this I think it's a long coffin nail from 𝒊𝒔𝒉 on Amazon. These are full coverage nail tips. You can apply them with nail glue, the UV nail gel glue that requires curing, or sticky tabs. And so once I apply a thin layer of 𝒊𝒔𝒉's gel base coat to the nail, I then cure in my LED lamp for, I think it says 30 seconds. So this color is Cosmic Latte, which is one of my favorite neutral shades from 𝒊𝒔𝒉. I have it in the gel polish and the dip powder. And so the reason why I'm just showing one nail is because this is a single color mani. So I'm applying one thin layer of Cosmic Latte to the nail, and I've had these gel polishes for quite some time, like when 𝒊𝒔𝒉 first, everybody started finding out about 𝒊𝒔𝒉. And so again, I'm applying a thin layer of that to the nail, and then I'm going to cure it in my LED lamp. And so here's after the first coat. I'm then going in and applying a second thin coat to the nail, and then I will pop that in my lamp. And I think I did this video, I recorded this maybe back in October or early November, one of those, and it wasn't fall themed or autumn themed or Thanksgiving themed or Christmas themed, so it just took me a minute to do the voiceover. This is a short video. So once I get that layer on the nail, and I think this is a nice neutral color. For some reason, I just love this color. I'm going in with 𝒊𝒔𝒉's foil transfer gel, because this is I will be using some nail art foil, transfer foil. And so I'm applying a thin but generous layer to the nail. I know those are contradictory words, but I want to make sure I get good coverage on the nail, just because I'm using a pattern of nail art foil. And so this kind of like Gucci kind of themed nail transfer foil, I'm applying that. I'm cutting off a piece of that from the roll, and I'm going to spread that between my two hands and lay that in kind of in the middle of the nail. And with the foil transfer gel, you do need to cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. And whenever I'm doing nail transfer foil, you want to make sure you let that cool off, maybe for about 30 to 60 seconds, because if you go right in as soon as you cure it, sometimes it's just too warm and the image won't transfer well. And anytime I'm doing a nail transfer foil that's a full image, I try to do a base color similar to the main color in that foil, just because there may be some pieces that don't pick up on the nail, and it won't be as subtle if you use kind of that same base gel polish or dip powder color on the nail. And so I'm just rubbing. I use the end of my silicone nail art tool there, or tweezers, and I'm rubbing. I'm using my finger to rub and rub, because since this is full coverage, you don't want that to be gappy, or it's gonna look awful. Or I shouldn't say it's gonna look awful, it just won't look as good. And so once I rub, and I only show one nail on camera, all of the nails in this particular set will have this same foil. So I'll do gel base coat, 2 coats of the color, foil nail art transfer foil gel that requires curing, and then I just get to rubbing. And this is a pretty long nail. It was easier to rub once I popped it off of that nail stand, and so I just gently pull it back. Some people will rip it off, do what works best for you. And you can see it transferred pretty nice. There was a spot on the nail that was missing on 1 or 2 of the nails, and so once I am satisfied with the application, I then go in and seal the deal with 𝒊𝒔𝒉's no wipe top coat, and then I cure in my LED lamp. And so off camera with the whole set, I did add some, they're kind of like bronze copper like rhinestones just down the center of one nail, and I think I added that same color as a single cuticle rhinestone. And so coming up is the set on my nail art palette. And I thought they were really pretty. I've been wanting to do this set for years. Like, I had it on a swatch stick for years. And so here is the set. These are pretty long nails, but I do like the overall look. And then I do apply them to my hand using sticky tabs. Now with the sticky tabs, of course, these are not meant for longevity. These long nails aren't meant for longevity for me. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And subscribe to my channel. It is still free $99. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.